Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm in Las Vegas, and today we're going to be checking out Aria. Aria is an MGM resort and is located on the west side of the Strip. This video is filmed September 2023, and Aria is getting ready for fall. Aria is just gorgeous and is very dramatic in design. My cousin Anita is traveling with me, and she was granted comp rooms from MGM, and she chose to stay at Aria for 2 nights. So I'm really excited because I've never stayed here before. Comp rooms are not completely free. There is a resort fee. The resort fee is currently $51 per night. We're going to be seeing a lot in this video, so don't go anywhere. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks, and I have a goal, a determination to see every resort and film them in Las Vegas and make a review. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. If you want to see more tours like this, please check out my playlist at the end of this video of all my resort tours so far in Las Vegas, and subscribe to my channel to see more in the future. Enough of that. Let's go check out the room that they assigned us. You can find the hotel elevators through the casino. Aria is located in City Center. It is a very good choice for someone that is looking for something newer in design. It was opened in 2009. There are 2 glass hotel towers. It is 50 floors, and there are 4,004 rooms and suites. We are on the 28th floor. So far, I'm very impressed. There are corner suites, but we just have a regular queen room. Ooh la la, I am in love. Incredibly large windows. There's a view of Planet Hollywood, the Cosmopolitan. This is City Center right over here. I'm just like, hell yeah, this is great. Now I'm going to give you a tour of our room. I was very impressed. The wardrobe is very, very large. A lot of room to put your suits and your dresses and whatever it is you bring. They have robes that you can wear or purchase as well. Very impressive wardrobe. My cousin Anita that is with me is discovering the iPad that they have here. This is pretty cool. I haven't seen this in any other hotels in Vegas, at least ones that I've been to so far. Showed you what was going on the property. You could order food. You could control the lighting in the room, which the lighting was wonderful in there. I loved it. And also the draperies. You could open and close them right from your bed without even getting up. It shows you the snack prices in the refrigerator. That's very important to know. The stuff in the refrigerator is very expensive. So get to know the prices before you start touching anything in there. If you pick up an item for too long, you may be charged for it, whether you consume it or not. So proceed with caution when approaching the minibar. The pillows were lovely. On the queen beds, a lot of times you only get 2 pillows. You had 5 here. One was more a pillow for show. It was more like a square pillow, but it was very plush. Wonderful linens there. Time to check out the bathroom. It's beautiful. Stick around. Next, I'm going to be taking you to one of my favorite places to dine in all of Las Vegas. I'm going to be showing you the pools and the cabanas, and also I'm going to be showing you other places to dine throughout this video. This was another first for me. The bathtub is in the same room as the shower. So how much does it cost for all this? Aria is one of MGM's most expensive properties. It is very luxurious and very lovely. This is just one of their regular basic rooms, but it felt like a suite. Here's a little peek at the mini bar. Like I said before, proceed with caution. Don't take anything out to use your personal items. They will charge you for the items. The safe is nicely hidden in the drawer space. There are dimmers and controls for pretty much everything. Very high-tech room. Now I'm going to take you to Salt and Ivy. I absolutely love this place. Salt and Ivy is open for breakfast and lunch. Brunch on Saturdays and Sundays. There is inside and outside dining. It is just a really beautiful, comfortable little hidden oasis away from the Las Vegas madness. Salt and Ivy is also located very close to the pool, so it's very easy in and out access if you want to go to the pool before or after. It was a hot, very early September day, but there was a lot of shade there. This video was filmed also right before the MGM cyber attacks. As I mentioned before, my cousin Anita gets comp rooms at Aria. But another way that you can get comp rooms without gambling is downloading the My Vegas apps on your phone. I don't work for My Vegas. I don't work for MGM. I'm just telling you how I get free stuff is if you play the game and you collect points, you could get comp rooms at MGM properties. Just like to sneak in my travel tips in my videos, but look at this food. Oh my gosh, like I love the place, but the food is so delicious here. I want this now. Those truffle fries are insanely good.
That looks beautiful. Spinach and mushrooms, salad. it like toasted to perfection. It tastes like a butter, very buttery, crispy, delicious.
I loved having my cousin there. I usually travel alone, but she came and visited me for 10 days. It was so much fun. Another huge benefit about staying at Aria is the tram. You could see it below. We played for a few hours in the casino, then got a snack at the patisserie and brought it back to our room. The patisserie is a great place to go any time of day, whenever any kind of craving may arise. It is now the next morning. We are going to be going back to the casino. This is unfortunately Anita's last day here, so we're going to hit the casino before she goes. If you are going to go to Las Vegas and you are going to play at Aria or any MGM property or any casino, make sure you get the player's card so you can get comp-rooms in the future too as well. Here is a look at the patisserie that I just showed you before with the cheesecake and the salad. This place is amazing. It gets a little crowded in the morning. Of course, everybody needs their coffee, but the deliciousness of this place. Oh my gosh, how do you choose just one? What would you choose? Where do you like to go to breakfast when you go to Aria? Let's use this moment to talk about the Aria Express tram. It is totally free. The unfortunate part is it's not directly at Aria. There is a station that's Aria Park MGM, which is a neighbor next door. The next station you could easily access from Aria would be the Crystal Mall's shop station. And then after that, it goes to the Bellagio Vidara. So this is an excellent way to save steps while exploring Las Vegas. Anita's last spins.
Here I am. Let's see.
Going back to
So
Connecticut.
I'm going back, and at least I'm going back with cash. So I'm not
so
totally
excited.
broke. Oh, won a little bit of money, and I'm rushing to get to the airport because literally with the baggage and all, we were on the slot machine floors. And then I went to go quickly cash out the money and get to the Uber, and then I can't find my phone to order the Uber. Left it at the slot machine, so we had to go. Jen runs up, then of course I don't trust that Jen's gonna remember where the machine was.
Never.
So I left my suitcase alone.
Yeah, she did.
Went upstairs. And
Not that I'd recommend that, but that
and to tell you the truth, I really feel lucky that I found my phone that I wanted to throw another 100 in the slot. But I have to catch a plane.
there's a plane to catch right
So
now.
I'm confirming my Uber now. $15.94 to the airport. Oh my God, poor Jen. I was giving her a heart attack. I never saw Jen walk so fast. I saw her going one way and I'm like, she's going the wrong way in the casino, and I went the other way.
Well, that's good.
It's 3 minutes
We
away.
found it. That's all that matters.
Your driver is coming.
Okay.
Jen, you finally will have some peace.
I'm fine.
I am leaving the
enjoy
dramatic
your trip so much.
Albanian girl Bali.
Anita likes Stratosphere the most out of all the hotels.
You know, Stratosphere just had a good. I liked it. It was clean. I love Aria too. I love the Bellagio. I love the Mandalay Bay. And we're
We
gonna
stayed
do
at
a
some
full
good
interview.
places.
Drinking my protein shake because they won't let me take this on the airplane.
What a lucky last day.
Listen, it was a lucky 9 days because I got to spend it with this beautiful lady.
Oh my gosh, you're so
Really,
sweet.
so-
Thank you so much. It was wonderful hanging out with you.
It was absolutely a gift. And
Thank
I want to cry.
Love you. All
I
right.
feel
so emotional. Making this video, we really had such a lovely time. Like I said, I usually travel alone. Bye, Anita. I'm a little elusive, but Anita was so good about like giving me my space, letting me do my thing, and I did the same for her, and we got along great. That's half the thing about traveling, is make sure you travel with someone that is compatible to you. Okay, now it's time to go check out the pool. We're going to start our tour today with these beautiful cabanas. Like all resorts, the cabana prices vary depending on what day of the week you're there. Weekends are going to be more than weekdays. Also, the time of year. Summer and holidays being the most expensive. It's supply and demand. If the place is packed, people want to get a cabana because you're assured seating. I was there in September, so the seating wasn't bad. I must say, Aria did have a lot of free seating around, but there are also day beds that you can purchase as well as cabanas if you're in a small party. This particular cabana was at the pool at Aria. We are currently walking through the bar area that also serves food. You could go to the bar yourself to grab some shade and get your own drinks, but they also have servers that come around too and ask you if you want anything. If coffee is your jam, there is a Starbucks nearby. When you first walk in, they allow you to bring that in as well. There are 3 pools at Aria and 3 very large hot tubs. They're beautiful. It's very lush. There's a lot of trees. It's very I gotta say, it was one of my favorite pool areas in Las Vegas so far. In the in-season, the Sky Pool is only available and open to people that are staying in Sky Suites. However, in the wintertime, it's the only pool that is open. Anybody staying in Aria can use the Sky Pool, but all the other pools are closed. The Dara guests are also welcome to use the Aria pools as well. There is also a seasonal adult-only pool called Liquid Pool. These hot tubs are nice. They're some of the nicest ones that I've seen personally in Las Vegas. I personally love to swim and I enjoy hot tubs. So when I go somewhere in the winter, I always call ahead to make sure that there is a pool open, because you'll be surprised. In Las Vegas, a lot of the pools are closed permanently in the winter. So check it out if swimming is something that's important to you. The weather could drop very low. It could be 40 degrees out, but the pools are always like over 80. It's hard getting out sometimes, but you know, it's very enjoyable because there's really not a lot of crowds. You could actually swim. As far as visiting the Aria pool, you need to be a registered guest. You have to have a key. However, I think the Liquid Pool, from what I'm reading, you don't need to be a guest. You could pay to have a day bed or a cabana even if you're not staying there. All right, let's go take a little walk. We're gonna go check out some restaurants, take a little cruise through the casino. Just gonna show you what's around. I hope you're enjoying this tour. I'm trying to give you the best information that I have with the limited time that we have here together, so you can make the best decision about where you wanna stay when you go to Las Vegas. If you'd like to add anything about your experience there, or if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Here's a little peek into the sports book, race book, whatever these are called. That's also where you're gonna find Moneyline Pizza. I never dine there, but it always smells amazing. This segment of the video is filmed very early in the morning. That's why there is not a lot of people around. Aria is typically very busy. Would I stay at Aria again? Oh God, of course, definitely, especially if I had comp rooms there. The only thing I don't like about Aria, and it could happen anywhere, is when they have conventions. It could be really, really crowded. I love to travel after Labor Day because typically anywhere there's not a lot of conventions, no matter where you go, so it's a good time to travel anywhere. But I feel like Aria does cater to more of a convention, businessy type of clientele. I really personally wouldn't recommend it for families. I did not dine at Proper Eats, but it looks like a cool place to hang out. They have a lot of drink specials. Definitely a lot of seating options. Looks awesome. I definitely want to try that next time. Now let's check out Proper Eats Food Hall. This is Aria's version of a food court. You go and you sit down and you get the QR code and you place an order. When your entire meal is ready, you will go pick it up. And there's a lot of different, more upscale food court items. Really taking the whole food court experience up a notch. All of this that I'm showing you now is on the second floor promenade. That is also where you will find the entrance to the pool area. Also in this area, you could find some shopping, and there is also a Starbucks that is open from 6 to 6. You could order your Starbucks right from the tablet in your room, right from your bed, and pick it up whenever you're ready. There is also a vegan place where you could get your vegan breakfast. They even have vegan ice cream. Now we're going to take a walk around downstairs. I'm going to show you some more dining. Aria has numerous great restaurants all over the place, but these places I'm going to be showing you are located right around the lobby. Here is a look at the bar in the lobby. Great place to chill if your room isn't ready. Cathedral is a new restaurant. It opened in May, and I was dying to get in there. Look how amazing that looks. This was the former home of a restaurant called Sage. Also in the general area, you'll find the restaurant Catch, which has a weekend brunch, and also Julian Serrano's Tapas. Also down this way, past the Aria lobby, you're going to find the entrance to the tram if you want to go see Bellagio or maybe the Cosmopolitan. This would be the tram station for the shops at Crystal's. It looks like nighttime out there, but it's actually very severely early in the morning. I'm going to go back to my room and go watch the sunrise. These windows were everything. It wasn't the best view I've ever had in Las Vegas, but it was really nice. And the windows, the floor-to-ceiling windows, was just a winner for me. I loved it. And let's not forget the automatic drapes. I'm telling you, it's the little things for me. I'm so impressed by this. I was actually very impressed with Aria. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. I would definitely stay there again and recommend it. To see more of my videos like this, please click on the playlist right over here on the left-hand side. This will take you to all my resort tours of Las Vegas. So whatever you do, just make sure you book that trip. Pack your bags and go. Be well to yourself and be kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.